Okay, so we use the tortillas. I'm using this cheese today, the Mexican style grated cheese, because the queso fresco they didn't have. Mau pico de gallo, cilantro, and the limes that they had were not good, so I just got some lime juice. And so I have here the tortillas. They're nice and done. You just flip them back and forth a couple times. We have the meat that's on keep warm, so it's no longer cooking, but it's just staying warm. And then you take some meat, you put it on the tortilla. Take some meat, put it on the tortilla. And then you start the process of everything else. Pico. You got the quesito. And you have the cilantro that I normally break up. Give me 1 second, let me break it up. Okay, I broke up the cilantro and put it there. And then now I'm gonna take my lime juice. I don't like too much of that, so we'll squirt it around, And that's it, your tacos are done. If you like guacamole, you put some guac on it. The only reason why I don't put is because I only use a little bit, and then the rest really goes bad. So there you go. These are my tacos, and I love to make them when my family comes over because they're so quick and you can feed a bunch of people. Adios.